Top 10 largest rainforest in the world, 2024. Number 10. Daintree Forest in Australia, 1,200 square kilometers. Number 9. Valdivian Forest in Chile and Argentina, 248,000 square kilometers. Number 8. Sundaland Forest in Southeast Asia, 350,000 square kilometers. Number 7. Madagascar Forest in Madagascar, 400,000 square kilometers. Number 6. Central America Forest in Costa Rica, Panama, and Nicaragua, 450,000 square kilometers. Number 5. New Guinea Forest in Papua New Guinea and Indonesia, 850,000 square kilometers. Number 4. Atlantic Forest in Brazil, 1.3 million square kilometers. Number 3. Southeast Asian Forest in Southeast Asia, 1.5 million square kilometers. Number 2. Congo Rainforest in Central Africa, 1.7 million square kilometers. Number 1. Amazon Forest in Brazil, 5.5 million square kilometers.